Good morning, children. Today we will study passive voice of present perfect, past perfect and future perfect continuous tense. And so let's start. First of all, we know its helping verb. What is the helping verb of passive voice of present perfect tense? Helping verb has been, have been, has been, have been. Next we see its structure. Passive voice structure or object passive voice structure and passive voice structure. Object plus has been, have been plus be third plus by plus subject. Structure of passive voice of present perfect tense. First of all we read object, then after it has been, have been, after it with her plus by preposition plus subject. Let's see example. For example, active voice I have seen the Taj. I have seen the Taj. Which tense? Present perfect tense, because have and use be third. Then change into passive voice. So first of all we write object of passive voice in place of object of active voice in place of passive voice. So we the Taj, the Taj helping verb has or had. Singular subject has been and plural subject have been. And I, the Taj has been, the Taj has been, she saw seen. Be third. The Taj has been seen. The Taj has been seen by me. By me. Next example. Active. Riya has not invited me. Riya has not invited me. Object me. Change it. Write in passive voice subject I. I have been. I have not been. I have not been. I have not been invited. Invited by Riya. Next example, negative sentence, and next interrogative sentence, assertive, negative and interrogative. Active, interrogative. Has this teacher taught you? Has this teacher taught you? Which object? You. First of all we write you. You have, sorry, first of all we read interrogative word. Object you. Then we use have. Have you been? Have you been taught? Have you been taught? Have you been taught by this teacher? By this teacher. At last question mark. So complete it. And let's see next past perfect tense. passive voice of past perfect tense. Next, passive voice of past perfect tense. First of all, we look its helping verb. HB, helping verb. HB, had been. Let's see its structure. Passive object plus HB, had been plus V third plus by plus subject. It is the structure of passive voice of past perfect. For example, first of all is for example. We had completed the work. Passive voice, active voice. Active. We had completed. We had completed the work. Completed the work. We had completed the work. Then change in passive object the work. The work had been be third completed. Had been completed. Sorry. We had completed the work. The work had been completed by us. Next, active. In negative sentence, let's say in negative sentence, we had not seen that film. He had not seen that film. Next, change into passive negative sentence. That film had not been. That film had not been seen. Seen. Be third. Seen by us. Next, in interrogative sentence, active. Interrogative sentence. Had you learned the poem? Had you learned the poem? Change into passive. Had the poem been learned by you. Next we see last, future perfect tense. Passive voice of future perfect tense. So erase it. Last, future passive voice of future perfect tense. Voice of future perfect tense. future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. First of all, we know it's helping verb. It's helping verb. Will have been and oblique shall have been. Shall have been. Structure passive as structure, object plus will have been, shall have been. Shall have been plus the third plus by plus subject. Sorry. Let's see its example in assertive, active. Example. She will have swept the room. She will have swept the room. In assertive sentence, passive, object the room will have been, helping verb, passive as the room will have been swept by her. In negative sentence, active. In negative sentence, she shall not have read the newspaper. I shall not have read the newspaper. In negative, passive, the newspaper will have been, the newspaper will not have been. Will not have been. The newspaper will not have been read by us. Read by us. The class finish and meet next day. Imperative sentence. I am passive voice of imperative sentence.